Imagine a machine so powerful that it can clear an entire forest in minutes. No chainsaws, no axes, just a beast machine that brings down massive trees in seconds. This is the world's most powerful tree-cutting machine. But how does it work? And what makes its mechanism so efficient? Today, we're going to uncover its secrets. This machine uses a high-speed rotating blade capable of shredding even hardwood trees in seconds. As soon as a tree comes into contact, the blade spins rapidly and cuts through it instantly. Some models are equipped with hydraulic arms that hold the tree, allowing for controlled direction of the fall. You might be wondering, where and why is this machine used? It is widely used in the forestry industry, agriculture, and construction projects. Whenever new roads, buildings, or farms need to be developed, this machine provides the fastest way to clear land. Its biggest advantage? It's faster, more efficient, and cost-effective compared to manual labor. But there's also a big environmental concern. As powerful as this machine is, it also has a major downside: deforestation. When it clears a forest, hundreds of trees can be cut down in a short time, impacting climate change and wildlife. Because of this, many countries have implemented strict policies to regulate its use. In the near future, AI-powered tree-cutting machines are being developed to selectively cut only dead or excess trees. At the same time, tree replanting drones are also being introduced to replace every tree that is cut down. Could this be the solution to deforestation? As cities expand and new farms are developed, these machines are both necessary and dangerous. They are powerful, but their responsible use will determine the future of our environment. What do you think? Is this machine helpful or harmful? Let us know in the comments.